Hello and welcome to Markets View at Deven Choksey, the daily market podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. It's a fresh start to the fresh week, and as we see, Gift Nifty this morning is trading flat, indicating a muted start to the Indian markets. Asian markets have opened largely lower, where Kospi did fall around 0.5% and Nikkei did rise around 0.5%. Talking about the US markets, US futures trade lower after cash market ended near flat line on Friday. The US market posts record close in a range-bound session where Dow Jones was up around 0.2%. The US 10-year yield softens to 4.23% ahead of key economic data due this week. And the crude did fall sharply and post weekly decline where Brent is around $80 a barrel. And last but not the least, the gold prices rise as dollar index hovers near 104 mark. So this is how the trade setup for this morning looks like. The global sentiments are weak this morning. Let us now take a look at the trade setup for today. It's a fresh start to the week and the market sentiment is expected to remain positive, though the benchmark indices saw profit booking after hitting a new high in the last trading session, which was on the 23rd of February. Intermittent consolidation and correction is always a part of any consistent rally. Hence, the Nifty 50 may face immediate resistance at 22,300 in the coming sessions, followed by 22,500 mark, with immediate support at 22,000 level and then 21,900. In the last trading session, the BSE Sensex was down around 15 points to close at 73,143, while the Nifty 50 shed 85 points from its record high of 22,298 and closed with 5 points loss at 22,213. The index has formed a bearish candlestick pattern on the daily charts but continued formation of higher highs for 8th trading session straight. Nifty closed at the day's low due to profit booking. However, the sentiment remained positive for the short term as the index closed above the crucial resistance level of 22,200, with the next resistance is seen at 22,400. As we see continuously, the support is positioned at 21,900. As long as Nifty maintains level above 21,900, the index may continue to be considered a buy on dips. So considering all of these, let's now take a look at the key support and resistance levels. For Nifty, it is likely to take immediate support at 22,190 followed by 22,163 and 22,121 levels, while on the higher side, it may see immediate resistance at 22,223 followed by 22,300 and 22,344 levels. For Bank Nifty, in the last trading session, it did fall around 100 points to close at 46,812, continuing downtrend for third consecutive session and formed bearish candlestick pattern on the daily charts, while earlier downward sloping resistance trend line now acted as a support level for the index. Bank Nifty has been consolidating in the range of 46,400 and 47,400 since the last three trading sessions. For Bank Nifty, it is, as we see, to continue the consolidation before the next up move resumes and expects the index to rise towards 48,000 to 48,300 from short-term perspective. For Bank Nifty, it is expected to take support at 46,727 followed by 46,600 and 46,400 levels, while on the higher side, the index may see resistance at 46,860 followed by 47,250 and 47,449 levels. Let us now take a look at the stock-specific action. As we see, of course, we start with Rain Industries as the calcined petroleum coke producer has posted consolidated net loss at 108 crore for quarter ended December 2023, that is quarter 4 calendar year 23, against profit of around 13 crore in the year ago period, impacted by lower top line, impairment loss and higher finance cost. Consolidated revenue from operations fell by 25% on a year-on-year basis to 410 crore for the quarter. The next stock in focus is Biocon, as the biopharmaceutical company has given a corporate guarantee of $20 million in favor of Mizuho Bank to secure term loan facility of $20 million extended to company's step-down subsidiary Biocon Generics Inc. by the bank. The corporate guarantee is valid for 5 years. The next stock in focus would be JSW Infrastructure, as the JSW Group company has received letter of award for VO Chidambaram Port Authority for mechanization of North Cargo Berth 3 for handling dry bulk cargo at the port on design, build, finance, operate and transfer basis through PPP basis. The another stock in focus would be Foseco India, as the foundry, consumables and solutions company has registered a 33% year-on-year growth in net profit at 16 crore for quarter ended December calendar year 23, partly supported by top line and other income. Revenue from operations for the quarter grew by 16% to 122 crore compared to a year ago period. And last but not the least, Kotak Mahindra Bank will be in focus, as the bank, Zurich and Kotak Mahindra General Insurance Company have mutually agreed that Zurich will acquire 70% stake in Kotak General through a combination of primary and secondary acquisition in a single tranche for the 5,560 crore. So these are all the important stocks and news for the trading session today. We take a look at the FIs and DIs data. The foreign institutional investors net bought shares worth Rs 1,276 crore, while domestic institutional investors purchased shares worth Rs 177 crore on the 23rd of February. So this is how the trade setup for today's trading session looks like. As we clearly see, there will be stock-specific action in the market. However, irrespective of market conditions, one needs to know that research is constantly the backbone of successful portfolio creation. Wealth creation is an art that we understand. We at Deven Choksey have our exclusive research services which are powerful and successful. To avail our exclusive research services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and you're done. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. So don't wait any further and embark on a wealth building adventure together. Thank you and have a nice day.